Round 3 and the 13th day of March. Oh, 2025. We're at the Northwest Show. Like I said, got him free. It was kind of nice. Passed along a free pass. All right, let's do this show. Another one here is 40 grand. Regular 53. Oh, that's not cool. That thing went down. That's not good. Someone's in there, so. Anyways, nice little grill here. That's nice. I like that. Oh, a little outdoor grill here. Nice. Watch TV. So here we go. This is, I don't know. This again. This is another one. I don't like this. Should be over there. Move that over there. I get this. You don't need that. TV. So, I don't know. I get that TV, but you can only put that out if you have to. But I don't know. Who am I, right? Just an idiot. Don't get it. Then we go back into here. Nice bathroom. Not bad. Looks like you can sleep there. The kids want to sleep there. They can. All right. So stay for a while. Yep. Yeah, I'm all right. Travel around. I get boondocking, but I think it's more fun to go to a RV park with people and hang out. This one is 35 grand. So another that's not good. That should be kind of like this. Is nice. I like how this goes around like this. Very simple. Get the bed. It's nice. Not bad for 35 grand. And you and the wife can sleep right there. Watch TV. Eat dinner. Got a bathroom that's easy to get into. Hell yeah, you can shower in the shower at Penn State. Damn right. So, perfect. So we're over here. Gonna get into Hilltop. They got a bunch. You try to get all of them, but these suckers are big. All these rollouts like this. That's insane. These suckers are huge. That's where you hook them up in the back. So, look at this big bad boy. Jesus. This is where your time is running out. 2 units left. They want 89,000, 90,000 this sucker. Jesus. Oh my God. So you go up here. Oh my goodness. He's upstairs. I can't get up here, but you get my point. This is an awful lot, huh? It's like a house.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Got washer and dryer over here, the whole 9 yards. Oh my goodness.
Look at the size of this TV.
This is like a grandchild one. They get up there and go to sleep up there if you pass out. Yeah, okay. See, that's right there is dumb. That's dumb. You can break an ankle there. That should be that's a safety hazard right there. It's stupid. And that shouldn't be like that. If I got that, bought it, I want that to be a smooth thing. It's dumb. It's weird they got a step up there. You should be able to be a smooth walk down. Stupid. Oh my God. Only 2 left. Well, you're not going to have one at this cowboy. Not a chance.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the one we just did.
My goodness.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God. Wow, it's a big bathroom in there. Oh my goodness. Vanity. That's a 2 sinks. Oh my goodness. Nice big shower. Yep. Stuff in there. Nice. It's a nice one. Not bad at all. Not bad. Nice big bed. Like the kitchen. TV. It's nice. Well, 41 grand. I think I'd buy it. I'm going to pull it. Hell yeah. You and the wife. Whatever. No freight charge, no prep charge, no propane charge, no battery charge. Okay. Maybe you want to get rid of it, so yeah. I like it, but I'm going to make sure before it leaves, it's going to get an inspection. Before it leaves. So, it's a Salem. Big dog here. Ooh, 24 grand. Are you kidding me? Come on. You could sleep right in there. I guess. I can get better price than that. 24 grand. Get more than that. How's business first day?
So far, so good.
All right. Oh my God, this is a little baby one, huh?
These things are cool. They're like little mini spaceships.
Kind of like the Scamp, kind of. I mean, same kind of, smaller the better.
And then they got a big Panamax one.
Right. Yeah.
Next row down.
Yeah, I saw that one. But I don't know, that's a lot of money for those bad boys. Big bed, kitchen. At least you don't have something in the middle here. TV. Got the clock. Who cares when you're camping? Who cares what time it is? I'm camping. Got the head. Not bad. Nice. This is a nice one. It's nice. I'll take it. Sure, you're right. Let's go on this one over here. Let's see what this one looks like. Tankless water heater. Again, that's if you got kids, I guess. Nice head. Yeah, no shit.
They started the season so well, but then it just started to go downhill.
Yep.
Well, they're not going to pay. Minnesota's never going to pay what it takes to get the kind of athletes, to win the big game.
Oh, here we go.
Nice if we had one sport that could win a championship.
And running ponytails. Yeah, you can't. So we said there was something over here. I don't need to go over there. Heck with that. Over here, there's a whole bunch. But we'll go on down here. We don't need. We'll see what this one looks like. This is a small one. It looks like kind of a mid-sized one. Hilltop. That's a bed, but you up the stairs. Oh yeah, they already have it all ready to rock and roll. You can sit down here and hang out. I don't know. Not bad. Jayco, they make some pretty good stuff, but I've heard also from Liz Amazing, a lot of things that have done with those idiots, so they're making a whole bunch. Another one in there, same thing. Here's a smaller one, I kind of like this one. 17 grand. Yeah, I've heard some stuff about Jayco. They've had their problems with quality. 20 grand, 21. Okay, this is nice. I'd buy this one. Kind of nice. I like it. See what I'm saying? This is a nice pull. That little small one I saw. I could buy this. Maybe way to get around. It's nice. Not bad. Kitchen's nice. Probably easy to pull. F250. Ken Herbeck. All right. At least they don't have a lot of music going on. Okay.
Special thanks to our sponsors, One Post, Ducks Unlimited, More Golf and Utility, Furniture and Things,
Oh yeah.
Summer Lakes Beverage,
So yeah, this one is
have a great day at the show.
14 grand. Not bad.
10 minutes on the seminar stage.
Over
Dan
here.
McGuire will be presenting trophies close to home, targeting walleye.
We'll go over here.
River. The seminar stage is located in room
Oh,
101
little dog.
near Lobby C.
Over here. These things are. I don't. These things are not. I just don't like. It's too much. 82,000. I guess not bad. That's not bad for 120. This one is doable. Doable. TV up there. Not bad. Good getaway, but some of them are like 130 grand. But this is like a, get away for the weekend or something, and easy to park somewhere, I guess. But you get those big ones, not good at all. So, anyways, we'll kind of go look around here and take some more pictures and move on to the fourth one. All right. Talk later. Bye.